Here's a pickup to take a look at. Just in a unique, especially in classics, 1969 Chevrolet C20 regular cab long box. Now, let's get this out of the way right away also. You're going to look at this close and you're going to say, wait a minute, C20, those are 5-lug wheels. This is actually a C20 body and some marker lights up there, which has been put on a half-ton frame. So, we're going to go with C20 due to the fact that's the VIN that we're going to go off of. There is a title that matches that VIN of the body. So, there's where that explanation comes from. Now, as far as underneath the hood, 305, a Chevrolet V8 that is paired up with a turbo hydromatic automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes. Discs up front. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front of this. You can see it's had a bumper delete, roll pan style front, as well as the rear. Blinkers are behind the grille. That's what you see with the orange lights. Now, I do want to point out there's a few spots where previous in its life somewhere, it does have a few little dents in the hood that you can see. And I have those in the still pictures too. Tried to take them for you. Give you an idea of the condition of the truck. Now, as far as still pictures, if you want to see this truck, every angle, inside and out, top to bottom, interior, underneath the hood, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Cooper Cobra radials, alloy wheels. Take a peek up and down the passenger side. There's a little bit of a ripple right there, if you can kind of see it too. Tried to point that out in the still pictures. Take a look at the bed. Plywood bolted down as far as in the bed, and you will have a few of your typical truck things up on top of the bed rails. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the rear tailgate. Kind of showed you what that corner of the truck looked like. A couple little spots over here too. One of those, get in it and drive it the way it is. Have some fun, or maybe you want to take her to the next level. Dress her up a bit. Priced accordingly so the next owner can do that. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. It does have newer exhaust when you look at the underside pictures. You'll be able to see probably close to 100 still pictures of this truck online, plus this video, of course, that you're seeing. All right, interior. Blue carpet has been put down. When repainted, did the door panels and overhead console was added. Do have a little older seat in here, cloth vinyl blend. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. Played around with some of the things in here a little bit earlier. Wipers do work, stereo works. Fire it up so you can hear that 305 run. Starts easily. I did notice the tack was in up. Battery gauge is working. Come over here, oil pressure looks good. There's an aftermarket temp gauge that's down below. Let her warm up just a tad here, so get her to idle. Aftermarket stereo system, and again, this did work. Kind of a speaker setup, center console deal there on the floor. All right, we're warmed up here a little bit. Slip around to the back so you can hear this truck run. There you go. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Pop this hood so we can check out the engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here's the engine bay. Again, 305 V8, power steering, power brakes. There's new radiator hose, thermostat housing. See the heated core still hooked up. HEI ignition. '69 Chevrolet C20 regular cab long box. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.